So let's get started. Just get my pen going. Scribble over here. Awesome. So, go away. Shows it. Okay, so we're going over density is equal to mass over volume. So, really quickly, I just want to illustrate something on the side. Density can be categorized as kilograms or meters cubed. We got mass, which has been categorized as just kilograms. And last but not least, we got volume, which can be shown as meters cubed, and it's synonymous with milliliters. So 1 meter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, just as a quick illustration. So that's pretty much what we're doing. So let's go for the first one. Let me do this. Can I zoom into this? Sweet, I can. Awesome. So, what is the density? Oh yeah, let me see real quick. Sorry, I just read this. Give your answers in the correct number of significant figures and the correct units. Okay, both are very important. So let's get into it. What is the density of a piece of wood with a mass of 25.0 grams and a volume of 30.5 centimeters cubed? So, let's do our thing. We got density equals mass over volume. And we got to see what we got so far. So we have mass. We got M. We got volume. We got V. So this one's a pretty simple one. D, because that's what we're trying to find, is mass over volume, which is 25.0 grams all over 30.5 centimeters cubed. Now I already did the calculation. That is about 0.819 grams centimeters -3 cubed. So you're probably like, wait, how did you do that? So when it comes down to the units, we are applying our basic knowledge of algebra. So grams would be there because nothing canceled out. Centimeters cubed, since it was in the denominator and we brought it to the numerator, this automatically becomes boom. So that is why this answer is that. That's the units at least explained. Now, why 3 numbers? Right here, significant figures. We got 1, 2, 3. Right here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 significant figures. So that's the answer to the first one. Let's go for the second one. So we got determine the mass of an object with a density of 3 grams per centimeters cubed and a volume of 12.55 centimeters cubed. All right then. This one's not too bad. Oops, I think I scribbled. So let's do our formula once again. We got density equals mass over volume. So determine the mass. So that's what we got to find out. So to figure that out, we're going to use algebra on our formula because they gave us density, which is that. They gave us volume. So we have both D and V, but we need M. So we're going to multiply V to both sides. Boom. Boom. So mass, our new formula is mass equals V times D, or volume and density. So let's go for it. Mass equals, what's our volume of, I'm going to do parentheses, 12.55 centimeters cubed. That's our V. Now we need our D. Our D is 3.00, but we don't need to put 00. I'm just doing it for the sake of keeping everything consistent. Boom. Mass is equal to, so our calculation, so really quick, I want you to see something with the units. Let's take away the numbers. We have centimeters cubed over here in a parenthesis, and on that parenthesis we have grams over centimeters cubed. This would cancel out, leaving grams by itself, so the answer is going to have just grams. Now 12.55 times 3.0 is equal to 37.65. This is our answer. Now we're keeping the same amount of significant figures because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. There's 1, 2, 3, so we're going with this guy. So 37.65. Sorry, that looks horrific. So that's what we got so far. Nothing too crazy, right?